Omanim and Omanut. It is not your Morale Omanut Ava today, but I am filling in for her. My name is Leitzanit. Do you know what Leitzanit means in Hebrew? It means the fool. And who is the fool? Sometimes the fool is silly. Sometimes the fool believes something even though there's no proof. And the fool likes to make people laugh. The fool performs for others, tells a story. Sometimes the fool is a hidden part of ourselves that we don't show, but on a special holiday called Purim, we dress up and we get to show our hidden selves to the world. We get to turn the world upside down for a day. We get to celebrate and dance and sing and perform. And we get to turn into someone else. So my question for you is, who are you today on Purim? And how can you make a mask that can help you to become who you are today? So my questions for you are, masks. Why? Why wear a mask? Can you think of a time in your life when you felt like you had to hide a part of yourself? Can you think of a time in Jewish history, and maybe even in Megillat Esther, the Purim story, where someone had to hide who they were? Maybe they had to hide that they were Jewish. Who wears a mask? Or maybe who are your different masks that you wear at different times? So when are your masks? When do you wear your masks? And where do you wear your masks? All of us have masks for different times and places and people because we all are made up of many, many different beings and people and energies all the time. We are all combination. So we get to choose from day to day what mask we put on. And maybe sometimes we feel like we are wearing a mask that doesn't fit us. And so we can also choose to take that mask off, like I'm doing right now, because now I'm Morale Omanut Ava, and I want to see your beautiful faces. Okay? So there are many reasons why we wear masks, right? Sometimes it's to perform a special ritual, to be able to become someone else in a performance. Maybe it's to help us become more ourselves. Interesting. Think about that. And sometimes we wear a mask to make other people and ourselves safe and comfy, right? Especially these days, we're wearing a lot of masks. And so in that vein also, sometimes wearing a mask is an act of love and care, right? Sometimes a mask helps you to feel free. Sometimes it makes you feel like you're trapped, like you're not free. So today we are making a mask that hopefully will make you feel free, not the other kind of mask, but we are wearing a mask today that represents a part of ourselves that maybe we don't get to show all the time, but that's definitely there. And that is maybe like the wild, free part of ourselves that we get to show on Purim to the world. So this is my mask. And can you tell what I made it out of? Yeah, it's just made out of cardboard. I have plain cardboard. I have corrugated or bumpy cardboard. I have a cereal box. Where's my cereal box? I don't know where my cereal box is, but my cereal box is a thinner cardboard. See my LaCroix? That is what I made the base of my face, my mask with. What else is it made of? What did I add? I added colors with oil pastels. You can use oil pastels, you can use markers, you can use paint, anything you want to add color to your cardboard. And you can tell I have all my components of a face. Are they perfectly realistic? Do they look like me? Yes and no. Yeah. And I have a crown because I wanted to emulate like a Queen Vashti or a Queen Esther on this day, but you can emulate whoever, whatever you want. You can be an animal, you can be an imaginary creature, right? Anything you want. You could be a shape, just a shape. So this, you can feel totally free to make whatever mask you want. It just, you have to be able to put it on. So, I mean, the simplest thing is you can just hold it up to your face, right? The other way is you can hole punch some strings, a string to it and put it on. Make sure it's measured around your head so it doesn't fall off or it's not too tight. And mine I can't see through because I drew my eyes, but if you wanted to be able to see through it, you could cut the eyes out. You can come up with a name for your mask. So mine is leitzanit, which means fool, a new word that I learned. Which is, a fool is kind of like a clown, right? So this is my clown self that I'm putting on for us today and on Purim. To see what you make for yourself and your mask. Please send a picture of yourself wearing a mask. Please wear it to the Purim celebration or any time that you want to feel that free, liberated part of yourself and express that to the world. Okay. Bye, Omanim and Omanut. Bye-bye. Lehitraot.